looks actually really sick.
That's how you would film a trick, or?
I think so, yeah. Definitely can film a trick from right here.
Sorry, it was just like lots of promotion. Just do it.
Dude, for some reason it seems like you're going so fast. You're like almost like power slide or something like up there. You're like barely olling it like the gap all chill, and it's just like boom. Honestly, it's like it seems like even to be honest with you, doing the ollie up on the higher thing, you're almost being more this way, so it'll be easier to make that angle. Versus like when you do just that one, you almost have to like carve out and then carve in. You know what I mean?
Yo, that would be so
I might try to ollie it, Kevin. I love that.
Yo, do that shit.
Can we, you like literally just did it, can we just give him like 5 minutes?
Sorry, no, I can't. I've already, it's already happened so many times.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Maybe I have a sign right there. No trespassing.
Oh, sorry.
This is stupid. No, I'll pay you, man. I don't understand what the deal is.
I don't care about anything. I just want you off my property.
It's just not damaging anything. It's just kind of hard to process. It's just crazy. You literally won't give me one more try.
It's fine. I don't care. That doesn't matter.
I will be here tomorrow, man. See you tomorrow. No, he's getting in his car. Hold on. It's all good because we're gonna have a great day still, and his day is ruined. What an idiot though! Like if you're that mad all the time, like you can't be like happy with your life if you're that mad all the time. Yeah, he just must hate people. He sucks. He's the worst dude.
I wanted to see you do it.
Thanks.
You're there, so I can't get involved.
No, yeah, we understand. Have a good day, man.
You too. Erick Winkowski. I always see you on Instagram. All you guys, keep it up.
Have a good day, man. I was down there filming. He's like, "Hey, is that Erick Winkowski?" I was like, "Yeah."
We're at the City Heights Skatepark, and it looks like it was locked. There's like no one in there, and we just got lucky. Erick D walked over to check to make sure the gate was open, and yeah, just no one's at the skatepark. We had the whole skatepark to ourselves.
I called ahead. I made a reservation.
Yes, that's why we love you, Erick D.
Yeah.
Erick D, the D is for reservations. The D is actually for directions, and the R is for reservations. Then the E is for Erick, and then Edward, which is actually his middle name. A lot of people don't know that about him. Erick Edward Dressen.
Alright, I didn't know we were going through right here. Now get this part? You just strong arm it? Hi. Hey.
Where you go in at?
Right here.
A little baby, tiniest step up in the world right there.
I like that. That's perfect.
That's my style.
Yeah, let's get it.
Got a wide enough lens to cover how long the gap is?
I think so. All day. Yes.
Did I make a video?
Yo, that was like, you're like Mario McCoy or something. Uh-oh, back to backs. Woo! What's going on?
Pizzle told me I should have Braun wear my clothes to do the tricks. As if he doesn't believe that I'm gonna land this one. I'm gonna prove him wrong right here.
Let's see it. You got this. Prove that fool wrong. He don't know.
Well, I got like 3 things on this thing, and then I'm gonna film you.
I gotta perform. All right, I'll throw down. Oh, that was for Tampa Bay all day.
Ah, Tom Brady.
Switch God. All right, Joey P. That was for Winky, huh?
That was for Winky. And E-Man.
Dude, that was awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, let's go, dude. No way. Keep it going, dude. Yes.
All right, we'll try one more thing.
You got it. Just keep it going.
Oh, dude, I got that, dude. That's going down.
Damn, you're steezy. You're so sick. Gnarly. I thought that was gonna be it
Tried
for Jake.
really hard for you, Nick.
What? You gonna do that too?
So fast.
Oh my God! first try. Best. Whoa, I was not ready for that. What are you about to do? Say less. Wow, switch tray. You got his back, JP. You got his back. It's okay, he got your back.
Oh, fucking tight.
Hey, was that in the way or did you get it?
No, I got it.
Yes.
We're good.
I turned around, I saw you right away. I was like, did he do it? Did he do it?
Thank you.
Backsmith, baby, let's see it. Oh. Jeremy and Kevin always been talking about where it's like they gotta, any park that has pool coupling, you gotta touch it. So I guess I'll get a slice too, even though I ate shit that one day.
Okay, right here. Hey, this is redemption right here. Right? Are you going right here?
Oh, I was gonna.
Deep in?
Well, where do you want me to?
Wherever you want.
I don't know.
I'll just film. Yeah.
I'll give you $1.
Get the grind like Dressen you doing.
That was sick.
Oh, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. insane, dude. That's... Good save.
Still hasn't hit the water.
Good save.
I'm so hyped on that.
Lord, dude. Yeah, Jake.
Don't know water level yet. What am I doing?
Try that switch frontside hurricane.
Yeah, that's front side. Dang, that is front side.
Frontal.
Oh, your body's supposed to be.
How do you do this?
You're like looking over, right? Yeah.
It's like a dance move almost.
No, dude, it's hilarious. Stop that before I went in.
Oh, still sick though.
Stop that before I went in.
A little bit.
Little one, Drake, but
Close. Look at that locking on that grind. I'm shooting it for 1-to-1. That's why I just like that. But dude, like, yeah, that's like real. Like. What the? Damn, bro. Yeah, you got him. No slot. Back tail pop.
Whatever. That was sick though. Damn!
That's right, baby. That's how we do it.
What is this, Love Park?
Really connect.
Yeah, we're out here. It's kind of a weird day. Tried to skate the spot by the Airbnb, and this dude just freaked the heck out on us. But no, it's been a fun day. Jake killed this bold switch hurricane. Switch front feebles. Crazy shit that like you don't see every day. So been cool.
Hey, you got some clips too.
I got some clips.
There. You got some.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4 clips.
That's right.
So you'll see it in my video part. No, I'm just kidding. You'll see it earlier in the vlog because it's nothing.
Thanks for checking out this video. Click subscribe to see all the squad.
Subscribe.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the latest videos.
Be a part of this.
Subscribe to the Santa Cruz YouTube channel.